Hello, my name is Joellen Nemeth, and I am the Director of Guidance. With me are the members of my department, Mrs. Jessica Johnson and Ms. Katie Conroy. Burke Catholic is the premier college preparatory high school in the New York Hudson Valley. Our department offers direct, personalized attention to BC students. We start college planning for students and families their very first year through individualized scheduling, one-on-one meetings at least twice a year, and by providing many opportunities to learn about their own interests for their future. We have a 100% graduation rate due to our consistent ability to schedule students the courses they need for their diplomas and ultimately their future success in producing a competitive and rigorous final transcript. 100% of our seniors apply to college, most completing before October. At BC, our entire faculty make applying to college a priority, and we all work together to provide our students the tools to succeed in writing their college essay, seeking letters of recommendation, and completing the Common Application. Our seniors earn an average of $150,000 in scholarships from colleges over 4 years. These scholarships are awarded because of the professional preparation and advanced college curriculum offered at BC. Examples include 10 AP courses, 8 college courses, college planning appointments, and the numerous extracurricular activities our school provides. In addition, we have recently been approved by the College Board to be a testing site for the SATs starting in August 2020. Each month until June, our students have this extra opportunity to test at BC, where other sites have closed. Throughout the year, our guidance team invites hundreds of colleges and universities to visit our school and students in small info sessions and during our annual college fair. Each year, our seniors interview during instant decision days and receive a college admissions decision on the spot. Our financial aid night, our junior parent night, our underclassmen update are all programs assisted by college admissions counselors with the purpose to educate students and families on their path to success after Burke Catholic. This year we announced exciting news. Burke Catholic now has secured 4 articulation agreements with St. Bonaventure University, the University of Scranton, Mount St. Mary College, and Misericordia University. These agreements guarantee our seniors' acceptance to college with a scholarship once they earn a required GPA. We invite you to make an appointment to visit and welcome your student to reach out to us with any questions. We look forward to seeing you soon, and our measure of success is the success of our students.